How to make mummy dogs. Ad review. Chef Anil Dahia, the Bristol Hotel Gurugram recipe. Servings 4, prep time 20 minutes, cook time 20 minutes, total time 40 minutes, difficulty level medium. These mummy dogs make a perfect Halloween recipe for kids. Yummy hot dogs covered in buttery rolls. How cute, quick, easy and delicious is this? Ingredients of mummy dogs for breadstick dough: 1 cup warm water, 3 tablespoons brown sugar, 1 tablespoon salt, 1/4 cup oil, 3 cups bread flour, 2.5 tablespoons yeast for rolls, 11-ounce breadstick dough, refrigerated, 8 hot dogs, mustard, poppy seed. How to make mummy dogs. Make dough using your favorite method: bread machine, mixer or by hand. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit using 1 dough strip for each. Wrap hot dogs to look like mummies, leaving an opening for eyes. Place on ungreased baking sheet. Bake 12 to 15 minutes or until light golden brown. Place dots of mustard and poppy seeds for eyes and enjoy. Please my channel subscribe.